this is Mrs. Dietz. I just wanted to make you guys a really quick video and introduce myself to you. I'm going to be your summer school teacher. I'm super excited to jump into our coursework and get to know you guys a little bit more. I know we're already about 2 weeks into the course, but I thought making you guys a really quick video would help you get to know me a little bit more and also help you put a face to my name. A few things about me. English is my jam. It's the only thing I teach. I could never teach math or science, but I love English. I love reading. I love writing. I love giving feedback on writing. I love grammar. I'm kind of a nerd in that way. And so I absolutely love teaching English. Some of my favorite things to do are discuss the text that we read in class. And on the screen here, you can kind of see a couple of different things that I've taught throughout the years and throughout my courses. And I know that there's a couple on here that we'll be reading together, like The Crucible, which we are just finishing up this week. I graduated from Boise State University with a degree in education and then an emphasis in literacy. When I'm not teaching, I like to spend time with my family, and I went ahead and I included some pictures of my family here on the board for you. I have a son right down here who just turned 6, my daughter who's 10, and then my stepson right here who is almost 19. I've been teaching for 13 years. It's my 4th year here at IDLA. I also teach full-time for another school during the day. Now that it's summer, I'm just super excited to spend lots of family time with my kids and my husband. I love to read and bake and go on adventures. I like to go hiking. I'm a sucker for dorky reality TV. I love coffee. I'm a soccer and a dance mom, so that's kind of how I spend my weekends. And I also love the Oregon coast. I was able to travel there at the very beginning of this summer. I love to read as well. Like I said earlier, that's why I'm an English teacher. I love to read, and I've got a couple of my favorite books here on the board for you guys to check out. I like anything from science fiction like The Hunger Games to historical fiction like All the Light We Cannot See. I like to think I'm pretty funny, so you might see some English teacher humor in our updates. So make sure you guys are reading those each week when you guys log into class. Not only do I like to post funny English teacher jokes, but I also give you guys a lot of helpful updates and information on the course, as well as tutorials and tips and tricks for completing the assignments. Okay, that is it. That's me in a nutshell. I wanted to keep this short and sweet. Please email me if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm super excited to spend the summer with you guys working on English 11A. Thanks so much.